In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Mautic. More precisely, I'll show you how to safely delete a campaign from your Mautic account, making sure it's fully unpublished before removal so you don't interrupt any live automations by accident. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to edit and delete campaigns. Keep in mind that deleting a campaign is permanent, so if you want a record of its settings or flow, take a quick screenshot first. Begin by opening the Mautic login page. Enter your email and password, then sign in to reach the dashboard. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. Once you're in, look for the main navigation menu and head to the campaigns section. This is where all your marketing automations and workflows live. From the list of campaigns, click the one you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct item by checking its name and any identifying details on the overview page. It's important to make sure you're working with the right campaign, especially if you manage several that look similar. Before Mautic will allow you to delete a campaign, you should unpublish it. To do that, open the campaign and click Edit. This takes you into the campaign settings where you can toggle its status, find the active switch, and turn it off. Unpublishing stops the campaign from running and ensures contacts won't enter or progress through it while you're removing it. This step helps maintain data integrity and prevents unexpected sends or triggers. After you toggle off active, click Save and Close. You'll return to the campaign's main view with the campaign now unpublished. With the campaign inactive, you can proceed to deletion. In the campaign view, locate the More Options menu, typically shown as a small downward arrow or an overflow icon near the top right. Click it to reveal available actions, then choose Delete. Mautic will display a confirmation prompt. Read it carefully, as deletion removes the campaign and its workflow from your account. When you're sure, click Delete again to confirm. That's it, the campaign is now removed. If you need to clean up additional campaigns, repeat the same sequence. Open the campaign, edit it to unpublish, save, then use the More Options menu to delete and confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Mautic workspace tidy and under control.